Okay, today I'm going to go over on how to set up a brand new Google Tag Manager. Obviously, sometimes this process changes a little bit. So first, you're just going over to the tagmanager.google.com, and it will take you here. And you'll see all your different ones that you are a manager for. And it's really simple. Create account. This one I'm going to build is for the Mom Boss Club account, United States. You can share or don't share. It's not typically something I do. We're going to set up a container name. I'm just going to be main container. If you're only doing one, like if you're a smaller business, if you're not getting complicated, this is all you're going to need. Certainly, the more complicated you get, it's going to get different. Here you can see where to use this container. Predominantly for our particular agency, we are almost always going to be using a web, but there's an iOS, Android, and AMP version. So we're going to do create, and it's going to take us to a terms of service agreement, and you're going to need to accept those, obviously. And then it's going to give me the code that I need. I'm actually going to open up Plutio real quick because I want to copy. I've got so much stuff open, so sorry. Here we go. So let's log in here. I'm going to go ahead and copy that code because it created essentially a container, and that's what Google Tag Manager is a creator. I'm sorry, container. So what does that mean? So let's say I am working with a client and someone else is building the website, and this becomes a really big deal if somebody else is building the website. There's only so many times I really want to ask the web creator to do much of anything, because I've found oftentimes they can be, difficult to get with, or, they're very expensive on the client is a big reason. And I don't want to have the client sit there and pay for something every time I need something changed. Let's see, one of these. Okay, we'll make a new one. So I'm going to make a new one. Add Google Tag Manager. I can't spell manager. I'm going to delegate this to Angelo, my web guy, and put it out here over here. Add tasks. So inside here, I'm going to take the instructions. Now, Angelo already knows how to do this, but instructions are good, just in case. Make sure you get all of the code, don't forget any, and that you get them each in the right spot. If you'll notice, one is specifically for the head and one is for the body. Yes, that makes a difference. Okay, so once I have that, I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now, obviously, I could have just gone ahead and added it myself to the website, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. But now I have a container, but the box is empty. So I'm going to go over here to New Tag and choose a tag type to begin setup. I'm going to go Universal Analytics. This is like the biggest given. Track type, I'm going to track basic page views. This is, again, very basic. This is all I want to track at this point in time. And select settings variable, new variable. And I'm going to add a tracking ID. I'm going to go over to Google Analytics. Oh, it took me to Tag Manager. Analytics. Yes, I get it. All these different websites. And I believe we have one yet for... No, I actually do not have one set up yet for this one. Go to admin. So you get to learn how to do this one too. Alright, so this is my main account. I'm going to create a new account for this one. Mom Boss Club. Mom Boss Club. Mom class.club. Make sure you write it right. I always love picking and trying to select which industry I'm in. And add your time zone. This is going to be your data sharing. I'm going to go with it for right now. I just want to get my tracking ID. You're going to again have to accept current terms and conditions. And boom, I have a tracking ID. So here's the unique thing. I now don't have to post this information. I can simply add this number here. I'm going to select auto here. You can do more settings and you can get custom, but I'm not going to do that. And I'm just going to hit save. Variable name. So that's going to, I want to just leave it as Google Analytics so I know what it is. And so I've now added that, but I need to add a trigger. I'm going to keep it simple, all pages, and save. So now I have at least one tag in there, but that's not everything I need. I'm also going to want one from my Facebook, because this is, if we're doing anything, I want to track my website views, and I want, ooh, where am I? You know what? I'm going to go to my ad account. I don't know why I'm doing this. Do I have it in here? That's the ad account. I want that takes me to the page. Getting this pixel code sometimes is a major pain. Go to promotions. It seems like the easy way to do this. So here is my Facebook pixel. And I'm going to go ahead and copy the first part. Oh wait, well, you know what? Let me go back because they like to change it on me. Add a new tag. I believe Facebook is still not added for some weird reason. Nope. So you're going to go to custom HTML. Oops, still got my Google. So I'm going to go to the pixel section, and I'm going to go ahead in my business settings and create a new Facebook pixel. This one is going to be Mom Boss Club Facebook pixel. We're going to set it up. I thought they had an opportunity to install it automatically. Love you, Les. Bring me a soda on that note. Ugh.
So you got the lemon squares out.
I didn't have any.
Huh?
We don't have any. Although, you can bring them over there. I don't have any lunch.
Making some potatoes. I'll give you some.
Okay. How are they? In the microwave?
Nice crispy. They're more floppy.
Yeah. I don't want them all. I want Cheetos.
They're good lemon squares though.
Oh, well.
I'm gonna make myself some more now. Well, the maids didn't really clean yesterday, but at least they took out the trash.
Seems about normal. Oh, hot. Well.
Sweet sour cream on.
Yes, please.
I had the bucket. Let me do a little. It's on the cups are flat too. Oh no. Remember when I had to go get the bug?
Yes.
She saw it and she's like,
Okay.
I thought I was using something the cup that she used to get the bug today.
No, it's not you. I've just about had it with going around in circles trying to get a piece of code. Okay, so we're going to manually install it ourselves. Here's the header piece. Let's go see what they need. HTML. Insert pixel code here. And so the one we need is right here. We're going to add the trigger, all pages, save it. This is going to be Facebook pixel. And so now we've added the Facebook pixel code. So I have Google Analytics, and we have the Facebook pixel code. The other ones you might consider adding are going to be your CRM. So for us, Active Campaign. We've added Sales Flare before. You might have some from the proposal documents you're working with. Whatever code you have, you can now add here without having to add any more code to the website. The only code you have to add to the website is going to be the original tag manager code that we put together. Go ahead and name it and publish. And you're done. So as long as you have added that pixel code, that is all you need to do. Anytime you need to add to this main pixel, that's all you do is go in here and you'll add some more to it. I've got Facebook, I've got analytics, those are my core ones. We do more tracking with clients, but for this one, this is just basic website stuff and adding retargeting. If you have any questions, let me know.